We have two groups performing tonight. The first one is the vocal ensemble. We've also got our beginning band and our advanced band, and we've got a little treat at the end with a couple of groups performing together. So, hope you enjoy it.
Our first song will be This Is Me from The Greatest Showman.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say. You don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say. No one will love you as you are, but won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. Oh, we are glorious. All these words wanna cut me down. Gonna send a blood, gonna drown 'em out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. Another round of bullets hits my skin, but will fire away, 'cause today I won't let the shame sink in. We're bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. We're warriors, and that's what we've become. Won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. Oh, we're warriors. Sharpest words won't cut me down. Gonna send a blood, gonna drown 'em out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I'll make no apologies. This is me. Sharpest words wanna cut me down. Gonna send a blood, gonna drown 'em out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Beginning band, come on up.
Here we go, Melody.
My name is Steve. I'm the band director for the beginning band that you just heard. Let's give it up one more time for the beginning band. Some of their first time performing in front of a crowd, first time improvising, all of that. So yeah, they deserve a big round of applause. That was Sea Jam Blues by Duke Ellington, a classic blues, classic 12-bar blues. And now we have the Wednesday band. This is the intermediate advanced band, and we're going to play Mercy, Mercy, Mercy.
vices, I end up in crisis. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving. You're tired of last evening. I'm the problem, it's me. A tea, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sign, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Maybe I'm a monster on the hill. Too big to hang out, slowly lurching toward your fake city. Pierced through the heart, but never killed. Did you hear my call for narcissism? My disguise is altruism, like some kind of congressman. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch as you're leaving. Life will lose all its meaning. I'm the problem, it's me. That deep time, everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. I have a dream, my daughter-in-law kills me for the money. She thinks I left her in the will. The family gathers round and reads it, and then someone screams out, she's laughing up at us from hell. Me, I'm the problem, me, I'm the problem, it's me. Everybody agrees, everybody agrees. I'm the problem, it's me. Everybody agrees. I'll stare directly at the sun, but never in the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Better than complication.